Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, we obviously are still trending up. It looks like it could be a wave 5. I still have a target around the 155, 156 area, which has not been hit yet. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame, take a little closer look, because we are approaching the 100% fib extension, which may or may not be where this stops. Looking at other yen pairs, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it actually did stretch out to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely a buyer, and if I see this go up, bounce off a fib level, go down and break structure, that will turn me into a seller. But unless I see this picture right here, I am definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames. Like I said, I really wouldn't be surprised if it actually broke out of this 100% and just kept on trending up, especially because it looks like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like an ABC correction to me. We had a big old spike down last night, but really all it did was go down to the 50% fib level and then end the correction, and now it looks like it's going back up. If it respects this fib level, turns down and breaks structure, I will become a seller. If it doesn't do that, if it just goes down, makes a normal correction, and just keeps on going up, then I will definitely just continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely think that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A. I think this is a correction up like a wave B. I think this is basically a 5-way pattern if we went down to the 15 or 30 minute time frame for a wave C. Went right down to the 50%, made a nice spike reversal. I think it is going to keep on drifting up to this 100% Fibonacci extension. Like I said, if it does go down and breaks structure at that point, then I will become a seller. If it actually just bounces out that level, makes a normal pullback, and then actually makes another end of a correction, then I'll just keep on going long at the end of every single pullback I see, just like I've been doing for basically a long time on the yen pairs, because the pairs have been in about a 4-year uptrend. So I'll just continue to look for longs every single chance I get on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.